Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive, forgive, forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those with no retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Oh, love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true. When love is true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases.
Forgive. Forgive. Forgive.
respect make your heart spin.
What's good, everybody? What's good, YouTube? No music. Okay, I gotta figure that one out. Okay. What's good, YouTube? Let's see here. All right. So looking at Go now, um, there's over in Discord. I don't know if you guys saw watched the last webinar this Saturday. There's a video that was unable to attend. So now what we need to look for, number one, is we need to look for liquidity. All right, we need to look for liquidity. We need to wait and see or figure out, did price grab the highs or did we grab the lows? Now, once we figure that out, right, and we figure that out after we figure out what our bias is, whether we bullish or we bearish, right? And looking at gold here on the 15-minute, I am going to say bullish. And if we go here to the 1 hour as well, we can see we are currently breaking highs. And at the previous high that we created was right here at 5409. Right, so 5409, that was our previous high, and we actually broke and closed above it. Yeah, and on the 4 hour, we did not. Right, we did not close above on the 4 hour. So for that reason, there is a chance we could, continue to the downside. However, we have 4 hour closure above the previous high, so we wait for more confirmation. Now, let's move this back up here to 5434.3. Now, we need to see liquidity. Once we see liquidity being grabbed either at the highs or at the lows, and now we're saying, okay, we are bullish, so our bias is bullish. Now, once we get the liquidity that we want, then we need to wait for a break of structure. Now, that break of structure does not have to be a major break of structure. It could be a minor BOS. Right? Once we get that, then we wait for price to pull back to demand. For example, let's say, so we had this move here. Price failed to break the high. We pretty much came down aggressively. Now looks like we are failing to break this low. If this failure holds, price goes back up, creates a high. We wait for price to pull back, then break this high that we've created, then we wait for this, and then boom, we take it back up. This is the setup we will be waiting for buys if we grab liquidity above this low. So first thing first, we need to see liquidity being taken, and then we will be good to go. All right, so that's what we're doing here. Now I am going to mark up NQ here. So we are going to pretty much start from the monthly time frame here, since we are in a new month. So we got previous minor low here. Monthly candle low here. I need to change this back to black, but I'll leave it for now. So we got our previous monthly candle high here. How you doing, Isaac? Weekly. We got a weekly candle, previous weekly candle high right there. Oh no, it's monthly. And then we got previous monthly candle low right here. Why is this repeating? Give me a second, guys. All right, now we can go to the daily time frame here. Daily time frame, we've got pretty much a daily swing high here. I get this right. Um, okay, weekly. All right. So daily. Let's have this here as a daily swing low. 4 hour. This 4 hour swing high. All right, so we got our 4 hour support here. Like this is in the range here on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at this on the 1 hour. So now this low right here, we need to figure out our session lows. So this low right here is going to be London low actually, even though London is still open right now. And where is our London high? Okay, this is our London high right here. Where's that? All right, London high. Where is Asian highs? Figure that out once we get to the lower time frame. So call this 1 hour minor range high. And this right here will be major. All right, 15 minutes. So Asian high should be around here. Yep, around here. Asian high. And this is going to be 15. Let's call it major. It looks like I don't have that here. All right, so looks like we are trading below the previous daily candle low here on NQ. Looking at this on the 1 hour closed below it. And the previous low that we created here, we actually did close below it. So I would say bearish on NQ as of right now. And we don't have liquidity being taken out just yet. So right over here, we have this 15-minute minor range low here. All right, we are going to delete this previous monthly candle low because we closed below it, we trading below it. All right, 15-minute, we grabbed that low. 30-minute, looks like we grabbed it, but we'll see what happens once NY opens. So that's for NQ. We get possible buys on NQ, or we could continue down. But I am bearish on NQ, so we'll see what happens. So that's our bias for NQ. Gold, I am bullish, actually bullish on gold, but that could change. So we'll see what happens here. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's not working this morning. So while we're waiting for a setup here, I'll be trying to fix that. I didn't want to use my webcam, so we have news in 40 minutes. Yeah, we got PMI. It looks like we are breaking below this low here on the 5. Yeah, looks like we got PMI. Let me see. Um, Zoom, do you guys hear the music now? I mean, in Discord? No? Okay. Oh, okay. I think I know what's going on. I need to, you should have my Spotify here. Should have my Spotify. Let's see. No liquidity, no trade. YouTube, sorry, my camera is tripping today. But it should be back working tomorrow. I'm gonna figure out what's going on with it. So just bear with me today. You've seen my face before anyway, so you don't have to see my face today. Did you? I am? Oh. Uh, man. Is it true what Didi said, guys? I don't want to sound like no one else. I want to sound like me. I guess I should say, if we don't see it, then we're not digging anything. I don't know how else to say it. The way this 5 minute, previous 5 minute candle close here is not good at all. And while it's open, oh, look at NQ. Well, maybe we will be trading NQ today. So NQ grab the lows. And now we just need to see a break of structure here. So we need to see a break of structure pretty much at this London high. So we'll see what happens here. So today's trade might be NQ. We'll see. There's no other way. They are all the same in my book. Same goal, different route language. Yes, you're right. Damn, YouTube is quiet today. All right, we don't have liquidity being taken looking at gold right now, so we're just gonna watch NQ for now. We got the liquidity taking right there, so we wait for this 5 minute candle to close. Got our liquidity taking at these lows. Um, what's this? I guess that is good. Mm, 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 mm. All right, this candle closes in in 1 minute. Man, look at this candle on. Oh, this NQ is. Oh, NQ said I'm not playing games. Yep, we only got 5 minute closure as of right now. So we got a 5 minute demand here. Once the 15 minute close, well, it's also a 15 minute demand. Pretty much a 30 as well. Except for the 1 hour. All right, so we wait to get liquidity at the lows. Now we wait. If we let me wait for price to for at least the 15 to close. And if we're going to take sales, we need to see price grab liquidity at the next high, pretty much, and then a break of structure, and then we wait for price to pull back, and then we execute. Let's go doing. Let's see how good closes. 15, that's not a good closure. 30 minute, not a good closure below 53, 53.6 either. So it's going to be down to the 1 hour at least. Plus, we got news. So if we can come down to 53.13 and grab 53.13, or if the 1 hour fails to close below 53, 53.6. So we still got some waiting to do here, guys. I'm still trying to work on a checklist that I can have on stream. I have one already, but trying to figure out how I can, use it on stream so that everyone can see it when I'm on stream. Mm. Uh, see. Okay, so it's now looking like, uh, yeah, it's not looking like 1 hour is gonna close below this low here. That's okay. We still need a minor high to be created, which we don't have just yet. So that's some waiting to do on gold. Same thing with NQ. Once we get a 15-minute closure, a 15-minute close above 24,740.25 here on NQ, I will be deleting this horizontal ray line here because we don't need it anymore at that point. Mm, yes, today we wait until after the news. Let me move this chat here. Uh, Let me move this card to fine. I can see what you guys are typing. Spy here. Oh, I saw him earlier. Okay. He left. There's some changes coming to Discord also, guys. I had planned to do this in pretty much to start it in January this year, but I didn't. So I'm gonna start working on it and get the ball rolling. A bit of jargon on a Monday afternoon. Oh, it's afternoon in the UK. Okay, 15-minute closed on NQ. What happens with this news? And if we break and close above this Asian high at 24901.75, remember we need to close strongly above it. And we might have a 5-minute demand here, possibly, and that would be the demand we'll use, or maybe somewhere else. So we'll see what happens. Just wait to see how we're going to close above Asian high. And remember, if we start falling here, we are using either the 5-minute demand, 15, or even the 30. That's the maximum demand I am willing to use here for possible pullback buys. Uh, oh yeah, after the news. No, this is not looking like it's gonna give us any setup before the news. It's not looking like it. News is in 13 minutes. I don't think it's gonna give you a setup within that time frame. The 1 hour has not closed yet. So now, as long as we do not, so I'm talking about gold right now. As long as we do not close above 53.19. Right then, looking at this only 1 hour time frame, it should still be a grab below 53. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I would have preferred that we grab 53.13 instead. That's what I prefer, but we'll see what happens. See what happens. The market does not listen to you or me, so he does what he wants to do. So we gotta follow what he's doing. Okay, and kill my close above Asian high. We'll see. We got news in 10 minutes. If this high that we created here on gold at 54.32, if we had created it above 54.34, and man, there's nothing you can tell me. I will be waiting for sales right now. And I'll be waiting for sales potentially at this 15 minutes supply. I'll be where I will be looking to sell gold. Oh, we didn't do that, so we're looking at possible buys. As long as we do not break this low, if we break and close above this high, but I do want this to come down a little bit more. At least just come down to pretty much either grab this previous candle low or even close below it just a little bit, and then we go back up, break this high, break this minor high 53.69.8. That should give us a clean demand, and we just wait for price to come back there. So we'll see. But if we break this low here, we might break this low here, and actually, so we've came down, created a lower high. Now we could just come down and grab this low, still failing to close below this current low that we have right now, and then that would be when we'll start going up. So we'll see. Or we could continue down. We just don't have anything right now. So we got 8 more minutes for the news. So while we're waiting, I am gonna go use the restroom real quick. And I'm just going to leave this. One looks like Which one looks like it's set up right now? Gold, you. I think you still kind of got a long way to go. So I'll leave this on gold. So we're grabbing this previous candle low right here. So we'll see if we're gonna grab it or close below it. All right, guys, I will be right back. It's probably back in the in it's not back in the Discord, it's probably busy. You the bit, I'm gonna send you a message in Discord, DD, you as well, and bye. All right. Okay, NQ not doing anything. The news didn't do anything, guys. News didn't do anything. This right here might actually hold and eventually break this high. Now we have it low here. We'll call this 5-minute minor low, minor range low here. So how did the 1 hour close? All right, 1 hour close below this low. Oh, as we can see that this previous 1 hour candle buyer stepped in. You got this long bottom wick, longer than, right, the top wick of this bearish candle. So you have buyer stepped in. This candle still has more sellers here, but you can see buyer stepped in from that candle, this previous 1 hour candle. The issue here is this candle still has more sellers than the buyers, because the buyers, they were not able to push price back up above this previous 1 hour minor range low. So this could still continue down. Right now we are in a 50-50 zone right now. Go to the lower time frame here. We are in a 50-50 range right now between this minor high and this minor low here. So this range here is untradeable right now. Nothing we can do. So we just gotta wait. We just got to wait. Yesterday we pretty much went back up. We didn't complete this gap fill, but we pushed up, we pushed down from there aggressively. Actually caught a sell from there during Asia last night after this this high that we created. We grabbed it right over here, waited for that minor break of structure. Even though we had a minor break of structure right here, we didn't grab lows, right? Because this candle right here, this is not a liquidity grab candle. So we have the grab right there, and I just marked up this 5-minute supply right here, because this 5-minute supply did what? Close below this low that created it, close below right here, and I pretty much took it right there. If this thing comes down from here, now that we pretty much crossed 24,901, then we gotta wait for 24,795.25 to be taken out. If we go into sell. If we go into sell, but it's going to be a quick sell, because there's a very, very strong chance we are going to hold this demand here, because this demand actually did what? Broke a minor high. And it's a strong high that we took out because we rejected this. We got a double top here, and we previously grabbed that high. So I wouldn't expect this to actually come down, but we'll see. It should continue higher. Yeah, we should come down and grab 53.13 instead on gold. So let's see what gold does. So gonna be down to the 1 hour now. It's gonna be down to the 1 hour. The moment gold closes above this minor high, I'll be waiting for a buy setup. So let's have this here. That's 5 minute minor range high. Hey Joey, how you doing? My camera is tripping today. Just gonna have to worry about that after stream. That's why you guys can't see me on YouTube or TikTok. Tripping. There's nothing we can do now. We can do is just chill, man. Just chill. You gotta act like you don't have any emotions when you're trading, even though it is hard to do. It's very, very hard to do. I should trade Sundays with the community. You guys think we should start doing that? Let me know what you guys think in the Discord. We'll start doing Sundays too. But I don't do every Sundays though. So if you guys agree with that, then I don't mind. I don't mind it. You guys would probably be even be sleeping. Yeah, Edwin, Sunday Asian. I know most of you will be asleep. Probably gonna be only Edwin that will be awake. Because he's in Asia. You're not consistent with attendance on stream, given the nature of your job. Uh, what's NQ doing? Alright, so NQ is breaking above this high. Mhm. Prefer if this thing can come back down. Need NQ to come back to this 5 minute demand here, and I am going to take it by if we come down there. All right, I'm gonna watch NQ here. Mm. So NQ above this high, we have 5 minute closure above it, 15-minute closure above it, step for 30. Mm-mm-mm. As long as gold does not close below this low, that 1 hour previous closure should be good to push price above 53.70 on gold. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Boy. Mm. Uh, looks like gold is tired now. We didn't tap this demand that I want just yet. We didn't tap this demand just yet. And the only thing I do not like right here, looking at NQ, like I said earlier, of course, we had this was Asian high at 24901.25. And if we look at this 30 minute actually did not close above. We grabbed it and also rejecting this. We got a 30-minute supply here because of this gap here. We can say, well, we fill the gap now and we reject it. Now, going back to the lower time frame here, we have closures above that high. We got closure above it on the 15 as well. And if you look at these candles right here, right, these are not strong. They're not strong candles. They're not aggressive. These bullish candles because of this long bottom wicks, and the bodies are not strong either. They are weak. So I am willing to still buy from this, but I'm going to need an extra confirmation here. Now, so if we hold this 5 minute demand here, I'm going to need more than one rejection. Right? I am going to need more than one rejection if we hold this. So this is what I am going to need. So we hold this demand, we push back up. I would like to see at least a bullish candle closing above the previous candle. Then we come back down again, create a low, possibly reject again. If we get another rejection, then I'll be willing to buy. But as of right now, I am not interested in it because I really don't like that 30, the way that 30 closed. Because we had the highs. So we grabbed that high on the higher time frame. So if we're going to buy, we need more confirmation here. And if we keep coming down, the moment we break this low at 24,795, I am going to uh, start looking to take quick shots on on NQ. Got to be careful because of what happened at these highs. Yeah, we'll see if gold can break 53.70. Well, we've tapped the 5 minute demand now. We've tapped it now. Need one more confirmation here before I'm willing to buy this from where we are right now. Need more confirmation. I'd rather let this just. I rather want this to actually come down. Yeah. And also, if you notice here on NQ, you have this 5 minute demand here, but it's not a valid demand. It is not strong enough because these bullish candles are just they weak, they're not clean enough compared to the first one we created. That's why I used it. If you look at those two candles, the clean candles. So even if it's going to hold, it should be this one right here. But I need more confirmation. Like I said earlier, which is if it holds, goes up, comes down, that would give me the confirmation to take it because we're holding this low at least twice. I need it to hold twice. If we get that set up, I'll take it. If we don't, then it is what it is. You also want it to come down more, makes the heart skip every time it moves around that area. Yeah. I won't be surprised if it actually does go up from here because regardless, you still have closure on the 5 and on the 15. It's just that it's a weak closure. And of course, you don't have that closure on the 30 minute. And plus 1 hour has not closed yet, and you don't have a 1 hour resistance here. Most recent, except for this previous one. So 1 hour has not closed yet. But that 30 minute, man. If we had a good closure above that, we'll be in this NQ now. But I need more confirmation. And if it goes up, like I said, it is what it is. Taking no trade is better than taking a trade and losing. It's 9:40 a.m. here. Way I'm looking at gold right now, it might not give anything until like 10 or 10:30 my time. That's like 11 or 11:30 EST. This 5 minute demand here ends up closing above that minor high. This would be a demand to use for price to come back down and take a buy on gold. Mm-mm-mm-mm. You see where 1 to 1 is actually. If we take this, don't take these guys. As you can see, I am not taking it just yet. Just looking to see. I want one that. Extra confirmation, guys. That's what we are waiting for. Extra confirmation. If it gives it, fine. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. Now, if this low, like this new low here on the 5 minute, if it ends up breaking and closing above this high right here, you can even use the 5 minute, new 5 minute demand, because then you have a closure above this previous high right here that the 30 minute failed to close. And even if we have one above here, that would be nice. But as long as the 30 minute can close above 24901.75, that's the high right there, then we wait for price to come back to this 35 minute demand if that happens. But if we break and close above this 24,947.75, then that 5 minute demand should hold. Bingo is tired, guys. Yep. Be right back, guys. Thank you. She's trying to break that high. Gold is not doing anything right now. We are playing too many games at these highs. Looking at NQ now, this low freaking could not break above this high. It freaking grabbed it. So I don't like this range we're in right now. Are you assuming NAS is reacting to the next supply zone 15-minute time frame? Yeah, that is what we are doing. That's what we're doing as of right now. More than likely, you're gonna act. Abe wants the 5 minute below. Good confluence to sell into it if you see sales and be at 5 if you have an entry, obviously. You'll be more confident if it breaks the low of the range or blasts to the supply at the top. Might not happen now. Yeah, we're in a 50-50% zone right now. We could either continue up or continue or come down. I don't like 50-50 zones. These bullish candles here messed it up for me. Even though we are reacting to that supply up there, if we had aggressive bullish candles right here, I would have, taken a buy. But those candles are not aggressive enough. And 30 did not close above the previous high that we created. And gold could break and close below 53.13. Or we could grab 53.13, which is what I would prefer for buys. If we grab 53.13, we obviously got to, let's say we come down, right? This is our most recent minor high here. We come down, we grab this low, right? And this is our most recent high here. Now, if we grab this low, we come down, create a minor high, come down, fail to break this low, and then we go back up, break this minor high, right? Even though we still have this high at 53.70, as long as we can come down and retest the demand, if we break this minor high, I will be willing to buy. So we'll see if we are going to close below this right now. Do not have any liquidity grabs on gold at all. NQ might fall. Well, it is 10 a.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna call it, guys. So like I said, NQ, anything can happen in this range between 24,948 and 24,795. Anything can happen. At this point, I'll actually stay away from this range on NQ if you're looking to trade it. And gold could continue to fall. Right, if we break and close below this low, I mean, it doesn't meet my criteria for even selling right now. So It's nothing for me to do here on Gold, so I'm gonna just wait for Asia session. So Discord, I will see you guys during Asia session tonight. YouTube, see you guys tomorrow during my next stream. God bless everyone. I appreciate you all. I'm out. All right, Discord. See you guys tonight. TikTok. I might stream Asia session for you guys as well, but we'll see. I just might. See you guys later.